In this video, we are going to walk through everything you need to get Clojure up and running from scratch. When we are done, you will have a live REPL connected to an empty project and be ready to start writing code. Clojure runs on the Java virtual machine, so the first thing we need is a JVM. There are many installation paths, but for this video, we will use Homebrew. Once it's installed, you can run java-version to confirm it was set up correctly. Next, we install the Clojure CLI. The CLI can download Clojure itself, packaged as a Java archive, commonly called a jar file, as well as any other Clojure or JVM-based libraries that your project needs. Once that finishes, verify the installation by running Clojure-version. Now, let's clone an example project to work with. Clojure is an interactive language, and the best workflows leverage an editor that supports code evaluation via a connected REPL. A REPL lets you interact with a running program directly from your editor. Fortunately, there are many excellent Clojure editors that provide this. For this tutorial, we will use VSCode. Download it from code.visualstudio.com. Once installed, go ahead and launch it. To get Clojure support in VSCode, we install Calva. Calva has made extra efforts to be approachable to beginners while still providing all the tools you need for daily professional use. Open the Extensions panel, search for Calva, and install the extension named Calva, Clojure, and ClojureScript Interactive Programming. Open the example project we downloaded earlier. Now here's where it all comes together. Use Calva's Start Project REPL and Connect command by pressing Ctrl-Option-C, Ctrl-Option-J. Select the project type, and in a few seconds the REPL is live. Let's evaluate a few functions to confirm everything is working. Place your cursor after the closing parentheses and press Ctrl-Enter. You will see the result appear in line. You are now up and running with Clojure and ready to start creating.